that governments will reject more drastic measures to cut carbon emissions.
For the past few weeks, we've been reporting extensively on the heat waves that have hit large areas of Europe, the United States and parts of Asia.
Indicates the world experienced about 26 more days of extreme heat over the last year. Now, these are highs that wouldn't have occurred without man-made climate change.
Our Earth's climate is deteriorating day by day, marked by shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns, alongside changes in solar activity. These effects have profound implications for Earth's inhabitants. While some consequences are long-term, not all are irreversible. With technological advancements, feasible solutions have emerged to mitigate the damage done to our planet or, at the very least, slow its progression. Therefore, negligence towards our world's climate should not be tolerated. This presentation delves into how technological advancements can adapt to the adverse effects of climate change, ensuring the well-being of society. Under Sustainable Development Goal 13, the global community aims to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Key issues include understanding the scientific foundations of climate change's effects on lives, exploring technological advancement to adapt to climate change while enhancing societal well-being. Objectives. Our objectives are threefold. Firstly, to gain a comprehensive understanding of climate change science, including its causes, mechanisms, and impacts on communities. Secondly, to identify scientific breakthroughs and technological innovations for adapting to climate change effects. Lastly, to evaluate the effectiveness of existing climate change technologies, as well as challenges and gaps in their implementation. Issue 1. How lives are affected by climate change. Let's delve into how climate change affects lives. Health impacts are significant, with climate change contributing to increased mortality from malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress. Total effects include earlier springs leading to higher pollen counts, exacerbating allergies, and worsening air quality, heightening the risk of asthma attacks. Raising the cost of living. Climate change disrupts supply chains, leading to shortages and increased costs of goods. Extreme weather events like the Texas freeze in 2021 contribute to energy blackouts and global shortages. Rising energy prices and environmental risks in supply chains add to the cost of living, affecting household finances. Warming of ocean threatens. Rising sea levels threaten coastal infrastructure and global supply chains. Increased sea temperatures contribute to more severe storms, endangering lives and infrastructure. Ocean warming, acidification, and oxygen loss endanger marine biodiversity and livelihoods. Animals at risk of extinction. Besides that, climate change exacerbates habitat loss, pushing vulnerable species closer to extinction. Rapid environmental changes disrupt wildlife habitats, especially impacting ice-dependent mammals like walruses and penguins.
Climate change increases the risk of flooding, storm surges, and sea level rise, damaging critical infrastructures. Floods in regions like London in December 2023 resulted in structural damage to homes and forced evacuations, highlighting significant impact on individuals and economies. Each of these issues underscores the urgency for action to mitigate and adapt to impacts of climate change through technological innovation and strategic interventions. Other than that, climate change also contributes to the worsening of forest fires or wildfires. For example, the 2019-2020 Australian bushfire season or Black Summer was one of the most intense and catastrophic fire seasons on record in Australia. Although wildfires are a natural occurrence within some forest ecosystems, climate change has led to more fire-prone conditions globally. With hotter and drier conditions, fires either ignited by humans or by lightning are more likely to burn over large areas and at a hotter temperature. The resulting smoke and haze can travel miles, creating public health crises as people breathe in unhealthy levels of pollution. So, how can technological advancement help the world adapt to climate change? Firstly, there's the creation of AI for climate adaptation. Artificial intelligence or AI is a technology that enables computers and machines to stimulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. Weather and climate models, which are significantly more sophisticated and precise, are being developed with AI. These models help humans in analyzing and understanding the current climate situations. Next, drones or unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) have been developed to aid in climate adaptations. These drones are equipped with advanced cameras that have the capabilities to survey vast areas. It can carry equipment like sensors to detect anomalies and geopositioning systems for highly precise location tracking. Drones help assist organizations in adapting to climate change by gathering visual data on climate risk and impact. Electric vehicles are also one of the most widely used green technology applications worldwide nowadays. Electric cars are cars that run on electricity instead of gas. They use batteries to power an electric motor, making them cleaner and quieter than traditional cars, which significantly helps in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, Earth observation plays a crucial role in adapting to climate change by providing valuable data and insights that inform decision-making processes and facilitate the implementation of effective adaptation strategies. It is critical for early warning systems in a climate adaptation scenario, for example, by spotting hurricanes before they happen. Moreover, carbon capture is an effective method for addressing climate change. It captures carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from large factories or power plants before it's released into the air. Instead of letting it escape, carbon capture traps and stores it underground, reducing harmful emissions. This helps us adapt to climate change and safeguard our planet. Furthermore, climate repair is also one way to help adapt to climate change. Climate repair or climate engineering is about big plans to fix climate change problems. It includes effort to reduce global warming impacts and make the Earth's climate more stable again. This could involve things like removing carbon dioxide from the air or finding ways to cool down the planet. This effort includes the greening of oceans, which is adding a fertilizer to promote the growth of plants and algae that may help to absorb more carbon dioxide. In conclusion, climate change affects us all, showing the importance of finding creative solutions to protect our communities and well-being. With advancements in technology, we have new tools to help us, but it's crucial that everyone benefits from these solutions through fair policies. Let's remember to address bigger issues too, while recognizing that technology isn't the only answer. Together, we can face challenges like extreme weather and food shortages and build a brighter future for everyone.